Hey guys, welcome back to GK Farms. Today I'll be doing a kind of farm update and a vlog on the cows and just how everything's been going lately. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get into it. So we'll start down with the pigs. So we got Ebony, we got Patches, and then we got Bella. That's my first time heifer. She will calve this spring because it is 2020. Happy New Year's, guys. Kind of late. It's Sunday, January 12th, but hey, Happy New Year's. So they're both calving. They're supposed to be around March and April, maybe May for Ebb. But yeah, the cows are all pregnant. We got 3 babies coming. There's gonna be a lot of calves for my setup anyway. Yeah, everybody's looking good there. And then moving down here, we have Sweet Mac, the 4-H steer. Come here, buddy. Come here. Ooh, good boy. Then we got Rosie, the carcass. But the carcass animal, sorry, not the carcass. But I'm gonna go outside and kind of just talk a little bit out here. So it is snowy out. It's probably around 30, I don't know, probably 36 degrees if I had to guess. I'll check my weather app here in a little bit. But Toro, look at that ice. Solid. But anyway, out here in the pasture, it did rain too, because there's like a big storm system up here in Michigan. So down there, it's kind of hard to see. I'll zoom in. But right in there, there's water. Right in there. So yeah, it did rain pretty good. Then there's the cattle. I cleaned the pens today. Got some new fresh straw in there. It's pretty nice out. It's nice and quiet. Until I go tearing around with the 4-wheeler, and then it gets a little loud. But it is a nice day today. I am bundled up a little bit. I got a sweatshirt on, a winter hat. But, yeah, it's not too bad out. So I'm gonna move on to the hay stack we got anyway. But we are in January and we're moving towards, well, January's 31 days, we're at 12, so eventually here, once we get into 15 in 3 days, we'll be halfway through January. So we are doing okay on hay for sure. So I just opened this bale a little while ago. And then we have another smaller bale right here. Another bale, and then we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, did I count right? 3 plus 6 is 9, yes. Because there's 2 bales right there. But hay is looking pretty good for the cows. I don't think we'll have to worry about hay. We'll have to buy some more straw though, because bedding is a lot more consuming than hay. I can get hay for cheaper, but straw, they use a lot more of it. It's a more resource they'll use because that's what they lay in, that's where they eat, and then they pass it through. Yeah, kinda. But yeah. But we're looking pretty good for the hay supply anyway. I'm excited for this year. We're gonna get some stuff done. The gator, I'm gonna fix that because it has a faulty clutch, and I'm hopefully gonna switch the cab off the 4x2 onto the 6x4 and then start using it. Because it did run good at one time, but to pick it up, pretty iced. Right down in there, it's hard to see. Anyway, there's a clutch, and it's got bad rollers and stuff. So when you put it in gear, it's really hard. And it stalls it. It stalls it every time unless you're moving to help it. So I'm gonna rebuild that, or probably try to rebuild that clutch. I'm gonna fix the brown Honda, do some stuff, but we got some New Year's tasks on hand. Also need to fix this thing because it's stuck in reverse. Mostly just faulty stuff you gotta mess with and lube. Old barn's holding up okay. It's a little bit slippery. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about the water lines because it is cold up here. So the water lines are frozen, if you're wondering why there's a big yellow tub. That's their water. And yeah, water line's froze, so we just run this line and we blow it out every time. Suction kind of does it itself. But basically we blow that out because there is a drain. There's a drain right in there, kind of. And then this thing is frost free. It still has heat tape, but this is frost free, but it will freeze up in here, but it won't freeze down in there. And if you're running the heat tape, it won't even freeze, but the hose will freeze. There's the electric fence charger. But yeah, cows are doing good. They're chowing down the hay I just threw down. Aren't you guys? Okay, I want to prove that my cow will eat anything, especially my ebony cow. So this is a wrapped orange, guys, right here. Yeah, you eat anything. I fed them they eat chips and stuff. That was a wrapped orange. It wasn't even unwrapped. Crazy cows. But yeah. Anyway, cow's going good, so I'm gonna check back up with you guys and go look at Roxy, the farm dog. So guys, here's Roxy. Here's Roxy. How you doing, dog? Woo! How are you? Roxy was off today. She went out and played in the barn for a couple hours, didn't you? Now you're all tired, aren't you? Hayfield looks kind of pretty right now. It's all frosted. Is there anything you want to say? No? No? No. No. Selfies. Selfies with the dog. I like Roxy a lot. She's kind of crazy though. They're energetic until you let them go run in the barn for a couple hours and then they calm down. Aren't you? You're pretty calm right now. Yeah, you're not quite as jumpy. Wow! Tripping me up there. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like down below or subscribe if you're new to the channel. We are currently at around 73 subscribers. So thank you guys, and thanks to Who That 3020 for supporting my channel and commenting and liking. So with that, this is Gavin from GK Farms. See you guys next time.